God's favorite child in God's own country. Hey guys, welcome to DesiGirl Traveler, and I have come to Kerala. But before I start this vlog, I want to ask you all, हम सब ने ये term बहुत बार सुन रखे हैं, God's own country. Kerala is God's own country. But do you guys know why it is called God's own country? The phrase does not have an absolute meaning. God does not own this state. God's own country was a phrase given by a marketing agency to the tourism, Kerala tourism, in 1980s to promote Kerala as a tourist destination, and that's why it got this phrase, God's own country. So I am in Kerala for a very exciting thing. I'm gonna be covering Champions Boat League snake boat race, and as I do that, I'm also gonna be seeing this Kathakali dance performance. These are the two things I am very much excited about. Apart from these two things, I'm also going to explore the city Kochi, where I am currently. Today is my day 1, and I'm going to see a couple of touristy places in Kochi. Kochi, which is also said to be the Queen of Arabian Sea, and I'm gonna be exploring Kochi with a guide here. His name is Jibin. Hi Jibin.
Hello. So in Malayalam we call this place Kochi. So there are different versions how these names have come. So one of the authentic version is that Kochi means small harbour. Kochi means small in local language Malayalam. So that is small harbour. There is another version called like China, Cochin. So because the Chinese traders were here for the spices, so they have named so many versions. So now it's not a small harbour, because this harbour has come into existence only in 1341. That's the birth year of Cochin. There was a massive flooding happened in Cochin.
So guys, I have come to this place called Chinese fishing net spot in Kochi. This is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Kochi. The reason why it is called Chinese fishing net is because it is said that this fishing technique was brought here by Chinese people in the 16th century. बहुत सारी stories हैं इस जगह के बारे में, and what is the authentic one I don't know. So let's go to the fisherman here. Hi. Let's go to the fisherman here, and he can explain us.
We can see how they're working, how the net works. Now it is in the water. You can see 6 to 7 men do the operation. Now the net is in the water. You can see the poles in the water. Underneath that there is a net which is like a basket underneath. They wait for 10-15 minutes and they pull the rope. That's the counterweight. You can see the granite stones and the ropes. They stand on the platform that side, and 6 to 7 men, they pull the net and they are scooping it up. One fisherman, he goes to the tip of the net and they have got a scooper. It's like a butterfly catcher. So they scoop it up.
Basically, this fishing technique is different, and it's said that it's an indigenous way of catching fish. This is quite interesting to look at. Why it's called indigenous way is because they have this bamboo attached to the teak poles. अब तो यहाँ पे iron poles भी use होने लगे हैं, but initially they used to do only teak poles. How much do you sell it for?
Just one piece, 800 rupees.
800 rupees. One piece.
Yes, one piece.
It's a precious fish, I can say.
Oh, Lambi. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Oh, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Bombay. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Oh, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala. Hey, Jala.
I think I'm qualified as a fisherwoman now. So the song we were singing just now, Ai Jala, right?
Hey Jala.
Ai Jala.
Hey Jala, that is a song of Kochi.
Okay.
It's like a cheering song and it gives them energy.
Oh,
so
wow.
It's like a Red Bull for them.
Red Bull. Okay. I definitely felt energetic with that song. Ai Jala, Jala, Ai Jala, Ai Jala, Ai Jala. So the area I'm walking at, this is called Fort Kochi. This is also known as British Kochi. So another famous tourist attraction at Fort Kochi Road. So this one is St. Francis Church. What is so special about this church is it is the first European church in India, and it was established in the year 1500 AD. So Vasco De Gama, the Portuguese navigator who had discovered the Indian sea route for spice trading, he was buried here at this church in 1524, and his remains were here till about 1538. So 14 years his remains were there. So initially when this church was built, it was built using woods, and later I guess in 1517 around they had turned this church from wood to stone and the tile structure. There is one touristy thing I do in every place I go in India, and that's buying the fridge magnets. Loved this one, Kerala. So I am inside this church. It's called St. Cathedral Basilica. What I loved so much about this church is the architecture. It's so beautiful. Come here, sit for hours and pray. So I reached this place, it's called J Quarter. Before I enter this quarter, the lane, here is something I will show you guys. So you see a star symbol there. That's the Star of David, a holy symbol for Jewish people. And this is one of the popular spots in Kochi, the Jewish Quarter. Jewish Quarter they call it. Very touristy, but it's beautiful. You can see shops all around this place, and the vehicles are not allowed at this place, and that's what I guess keeps the beauty of this place intact.
Now there are only 2 Jewish people left at this quarter in Kochi, and this is one of the Jewish homes. So you can understand whether it is a Jewish home or not. On the Jewish door frames you can see a white box. It's called Mesusa. So there is a baby Torah inside. So this little parchment, that is something very holy for the Jewish people.
Okay.
They kiss this one before they go inside their home.
So this place is called Jewish synagogue. Synagogue basically means temple. So it's the temple of Jewish people. And it was built in the year 1568, and it is the oldest synagogue in the Commonwealth countries.
This is the oldest active synagogue in the British Commonwealth. It's called Paradeshi Synagogue, means foreign synagogue, because their ancestors have come from Iberian Peninsula, from Spain and Portugal.
So once you enter the synagogue, this is the first place you would be visiting. This is called Painting Hall, and in this hall you have the paintings that explains the arrival of Jews in India. Hi, which country are you from?
France.
France? Okay. First time here?
Yeah, in Kochi, yeah.
Okay. Liked India?
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Enjoy. they don't allow the shoes inside because these tiles are hand painted and they have been brought from China in 18th century. The chandelier what you see there are from Belgium, and the main one here, the center one, is from Italy. So this synagogue is 450 years old and it was established in 1568 for the flourishing Jewish community in Kochi. So now I am at this place, it's called Mutton Cherry Palace. Now the name has turned into Dutch Palace, they call it. And today is Friday, so this place is off, like it's shut. I cannot go inside. Basically it's the palace of the Maharaja of Kochi, but it was gifted by the Portuguese people. I wish it was open because something new I could have seen. Come to this place, it's called Ginger House Museum Hotel for lunch, and I'm gonna try some authentic food of Kerala at this place. But more than the food, I'm excited about this. आज वेदर जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा हेजी सा है, so the sky is not very clear. There is so much food here for me and I really don't know how am I going to finish this. This is rice, pineapple chutney, this is appam, this is prawn curry, Kerala paratha, and this is tawa fried fish, this is chana salad, my camera, and this is the view. I'm so excited to be trying this authentic food of Kerala, although this is a little fancy. I love eating Kerala paratha. This is so good. It has got that flavor of coconut. Guys, I am at Cochin Cultural Center and I'm here for a very special thing, something that I was really looking forward to. So I am going to witness here, see here Kathakali dance performance. Now if you guys don't know, Kathakali is a traditional dance performance of Kerala. It's a form of Indian classical dance, और इस डांस की शुरुआत केरला से ही हुई थी 17th century में. More than the performance, I'm excited about the preparation of the dance, as in there are only male actors and they do all the makeup and everything, and it's a story play kind of dance performance, so they have elaborated makeup, costume. Right now it's 5 p.m. so they're going to start with the makeup and their costume. Let's enjoy this because this is something I was really looking forward to. What is that you are using? Is it powder?
No, this is Maniala.
Ayurvedic stone?
Yeah.
Can I see this once? This is the stone they grind and make powder, and then they do all the color mixing with
Basic
oil.
colors are yellow.
Okay.
This is coconut oil for this one.
Female character.
Okay.
He is a male character.
Male and female character. But this dance is mostly done only by men, no?
No.
Yeah.
Kathakali is a story play genre of art. It's the male actors who do very elaborated makeup before performing the dance.
This is for male character. The stone mixed with the coconut oil.
Okay.
For female character mixed with the water.
Why is that? the makeup, what they are doing for the females, they basically mix the makeup ingredients with water, and for male, they mix it with oil. What I feel is the difference is because female makeup is going to be more of matte and male makeup is going to be more of glossy finish.
There will be two parts to this performance. The first part is purely an educative demonstration, and the second part, dance drama Kathakali.
Now let's watch this most difficult as well as a vital part of Kathakali. The movements of eye, eyebrows, facial muscles, neck and body.
So guys, the performance got over and what a wonderful thing it was, you know. I'm so happy that I got a chance to attend this Kathakali dance performance. पता है जब मुझसे लोग ये कहते हैं ना कि आप सिर्फ इंडिया ही क्यों घूमती रहती हो, मुझे लगता है मैं इंडिया में कितना भी कुछ देख लूँ ना, आई मीन देयर इज सो मच टू सी इन इंडिया. हर पार्ट इंडिया का इतना डिफरेंट है एंड आई फील हर एक नए स्टेट में, हर एक नई जगहों पे जाके इंडिया में ही आई फील दैट आई हैव विजिटेड अ न्यू कंट्री ऑल टुगेदर. सच अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस.